to connect bulb camera to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Download and install the Symynelec app. Complete the registration. Please select your country and enter your email address. Please enter the verification code you received and complete the registration. Step 2. Make sure your phone is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network.
Turn off the switch before installation. Install the camera into a bulb socket or the included base. Turn on the switch. Wait until the camera is beeping every 15 seconds, which means the camera is ready for pairing. If the camera is not beeping, press and hold the reset button for 8 seconds to reset it. Enter the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password to generate a QR code that contains Wi-Fi info. Use the camera to scan the QR code from 8 to 12 inches away. When the camera reads the QR code, it will send out a voice prompt. If the camera doesn't scan QR code, adjust the phone position or tilt screen slightly. Make sure to avoid light reflections that can make QR code incomplete or avoid high contrast background. Press I heard a prompt when camera beeps. Camera will start pairing.